This is my brand new lemon bush, which I divided. Was sold by 3 cuttings in one pot. So here I'm gonna do crafting. This is mandarin, and I'm gonna try to craft it. I have grafting tape, so I will in advance just wrap it. Oh my god, this is not easy. I thought it's gonna be easy. It looks like this. I need to stretch it a little bit actually. So we need to wrap it so it doesn't dry out. I'm doing this first time. This is just for practice. I'm gonna do just like this a little bit. No, it doesn't focus unfortunately. So here I will do mandarin, and higher I will do orange. I need to open it. Where's my cutting? I don't even see. Okay, I got a little bit. Doing first time. So kind of learning experience. If you don't do, how you can get experience? You cannot. So now I need to place it right here. Oh my god. Okay, I will try to use this one just to hold it because it's so difficult. Now, how I'm gonna wrap it? That's another question. I don't know how people do this stuff. Shoot. Yeah, of course, I don't wanna remove all these branches because in case this won't work, I wanna have my lemon tree. This is looks like if you use on your kitchen wrap, food wrap, it's like the same quality. Maybe it's bad one. Who knows? And I don't know. Did I make it tight enough? Because if it's not tight enough, it's not gonna have contact. No contact. It's not gonna grow. That's very important. And because this is for just for practicing. You know what? It looks like it's holding well. So let's see. Once it starts to, if this one will be fine, we'll think what to do with this branch. Actually, next I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna do this one. Quite easy. Maybe my knife is sharp enough. I don't know. Maybe it's not long enough. Who knows? I watched several videos before I started to do, but I can tell you, instead of watching several videos, it's better just go and try it because nothing can beat your own experience. We're gonna do right here. We'll try to do left by left hand. I think I was doing by wrong side. Oops. Okay, let's try to. I don't know. Maybe that's actually the way to go, like this. Maybe I'm doing. Yeah, should be done in this way, much easier. Okay. No, we can match. Let's see how it goes. I think that's fine. Oh yeah, I know on internet you can find some specific actually creators to hold it on place. I will do just a little by little. What I probably will do together. This one is actually let's go. No, I don't see. I see space actually. Oh, no, I need to. You know what? I think it's. I need to move it a little bit here because this path doesn't let me actually. I actually I don't need that path. I think I did something wrong. I need to remove a little bit here. Just doesn't wanna lay down. Okay, I see what's wrong with that one. It's not really straight. I need to remove here. Otherwise, it's not gonna make it. Okay, now I see what I did wrong. It's supposed to be starting from top, not going down. Okay. Looks like this one will not let me to do it. But I wanna remove this. I'm thinking I'm gonna use ties for this one because I don't know how it's gonna stay in one place. I think I did over complication for this one. No, I don't have a choice. But with this tie, we're gonna have more contact for sure. Yeah, actually, it looks much better. I'm gonna use another one on bottom because I don't like contact itself. I was surprised if this one is not gonna make it, but at least next time I will know to do it first on the upper side and then move to down. My idea here, I wanna have just one single tree instead of having three trees like mandarin, orange, and lemon. It's actually too much. I don't need so many, and then I will end up just giving away. People not really appreciate that much. Let me just wrap it. That's it all together. I wanna finally end this project. And you see, this is kind of narrow. I have another one. It's actually wider. So what we need, we just want to avoid losing moisture from our see, did I cover everything or not? Oh my God, I'm tired. Now I'll put oil. Oh, and it's biting me. Oh, oh, oh. Because this plant was having shock because I decided to divide them in 3 different pots. So it needs to be a shade. Looks good. That's it for today. I wrapped separately top because it was exposed. So I'm gonna do another crafting. This is lemon tree and this is orange. So first step, wrap this side with grafting tape. Second step, remove bark. So I remove bark here. Let's see. To use ties because it's convenient in case you're just starting to do it. You see? It's dropping. It's so convenient. Okay. Now it's gonna be much easier to wrap my grafting tape. It's kind of you see, even now it's not really easy, so I need more. So I need to cover everything. This is tape is so thin, it just okay, we just need to wrap this green net.